You want to run?
Please don't kill me.
Don't kill me. Oh, we should not.
Please don't.
So you don't want to? Oh,
please, I don't want to die. Please don't.
I want to kill this man now. I want to strangle this man.
What do you?
I don't get joy.
Wait, no, you're asking us.
Please tell me.
Una carry this man.
Come down. I don't kill anybody. Kill him. I don't get joy. I don't get joy.
You don't want to pay. I've been looking for you. You refuse to pay your tax. You are fucking with my dog. No. You are meeting your ancestors. This man is not this I want to die again.
Boss, your phone is ringing. Who's that? I think it's your cousin brother, Bone Crusher. Bone Crusher? Yes, boss. Yes, your phone, sir. What's up, brother?
Undertaker! My father has been killed!
My uncle dead? No! I can't believe this. How? What happened?
He was shot! Yesterday evening.
Shit. Brother, listen. I want you to leave that mob family and join force with me. Let's war against G-Man and Hellraiser. You have to leave the mob family. You have to leave the mob family and join force with me.
I agree. I'll join force with you as we are one family.
Hey boss, I'm always with you, boss. Boss.
Hey guys, hey! This city belongs to us.
Yes!
This Undertaker a lesson.
Yes!
Be from us again.
Yes!
This city belongs to us.
Yes!
We are taking what belongs to us.
Yes!
Drink and celebrate.
Guys,
Yes!
Undertaker is going too far. In fact, Undertaker has gone too far. Undertaker has stolen a big shipment of imported stuffs, such as clothes, jewelry, iPhones, cars, worth over $10 million. In fact, if I get that guy, I kill
Nice guy.
Hey, Undertaker.
We kill him now. It's just 2 minutes.
Ownership at we are good to go.
It can't be.
A man does not wander far for where his corn is roasting. I must tell you the truth.
And a hunter with one arrow does not shoot carelessly.
That's correct, my brother. That's correct. I want us to revenge for my father, Manubu. I mean Chief Manubu. Let's revenge for Chief Manubu's death.
Yes. Yes. I have some business to take care of in town. When I return, we will table that matter. We must revenge.
Yes.
We must revenge.
Yes.
G-Man must pay for this. G-Man and his brother Eraser must pay for this.
Yes.
They must pay for it.
Yes.
Brother,
believe
don't
me.
you worry.
Believe me.
Don't you
Let's
worry.
work hand to hand.
Yes, now that we are team, we will make sure we destroy these people. We will war against these people.
Yes.
It's time for war. War!
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 Business now.
Time for war! You don't just worry.
Okay.
Just relax. When I return, like I said, when I return, we will table this
I
map.
believe in you.
Eye on this map.
Let's work hand to hand.
Of course. War it. See, bro.
No problem. Later. No problem. Take care.
You're absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
What's your name, please?
My name is Precious.
Wow. You're a precious gem. Do you live around this neighborhood?
Yes, I do.
Can I take you out for lunch, dinner, or something?
I would have loved to follow you, but I don't think my husband will look on it like you.
Who's your husband?
Jimmy is my husband.
G-Man?
Do you know him?
That rebel
What? Rebel, do you know him?
does not deserve a woman like you. I will give you the world. The G-Man. You need a real man like me to treat you like a girl that you are.
By the way, what's your name?
My name is Undertaker.
Okay, can we exchange numbers?
Of course.
But you have to be very careful because my husband is a jealous man, and if he finds out that I'm talking to somebody else, it's going to be a very big problem because he's a dangerous man.
I know all about that. Don't you worry. This is between me and you. Let's meet up for lunch.
I want to tell you that the world have it on the streets that Bob Crusher is an enemy of Africa Black Mob, and he is now working with Undertaker of Undertaker. Yes! For all we know, Bone Crusher could have been the informer that told Undertaker of our secret that was robbed. It was an inside job. So guys, we were out to bring them both down. Mad dog. Hey, we are the wolves. Black light.
I don't get joy. Keep them up. Keep them.
Esther, clear road.
Black cat. I'm thirsty your blood. Hi, Elisa, the liar. I order all of you to go around the local businesses and extort money from all the business owners.
No, man, I come here. Who do you? Okay, come outside this. Say we go for them. So that way, we dey kill. So then they call you. You first go stay Sabi. Oh. Hey, Nabia. Now say me leader. Leader. Wait. Take this guy down. Take down. Don't pay money. Bring the money. Bring the money. See me. Run away. Only correct. It go dead. So you load this guy for me. I go shoot you. Incorrect.
Mad dogs, okay, you don't do.
That means that they come out to us. Let's go. Who do you? Madam, come outside. Mona leave her. No, don't talk, you don't talk. We know what we want. You are saying what we want that you don't understand. You are talking to me. No, me be like your boyfriend. You shot, I saw. No, okay. They say me you pay tax money and they call you, you see they say that place. Man, don't call your name. Back you look at. I'm not shake this guy now.
Drop this base on me. Go down in the mouth. Wetin I wan do to this babe? For this zanga, nobody don't test us like this. Wetin dey sup? This baby don dey make us.
Stop now.
I say this babe no know for this town. Wetin dey sup for this zanga, man? I for like, hey, wait. We are going to flog you, and now we go flog you. No, never, Lara. Stop now. Like this girl.
Oh my God! Where this woman man now? I don't tell you they start for here. Stop now! Una no go wala dia our
This my own day this store. Man, come out and bring wetin dey store.
We dey joke. Madam, you don't want pay money. We dey joke for you.
I don't got money. I don't give you now. I just pay last week.
Where's your husband?
My husband not there.
Where's your husband?
My husband not
there. Hey, go ahead, Abi.
He not there.
You just waiting happen now.
My husband not there.
Paper there. Madam, you don't want to give us money, Abi?
I got to pay. I don't pay last year. I don't pay again. You should.
You want to follow you the young small. You want to show say you got Arab.
Bros, I don't understand you now. At all. I'm not saying at all. I don't pay last week now. Now which man not to give me again now? I don't understand you now.
Madam, don't make my head skip. They feel me so.
Mr. My head is skip.
Okay, your head is skip.
I showed you this woman from your city. Take this woman, come on now. You come here, kill you. Come and finish you. I want to I said we just have to go down. Go down. Wanna leave them. Wanna not worry. But this place, you forget me be mad dog, Abi. Stop now. Guys, calm down. I don't know you. You don't feel your free to fall like this. This man got to fuck up for this man. Pay this man. Too much.
You flow like water. You look at the tree flow like water. I don't get you.
Order. Take this one. Stop out here. Oh, God. Oh, Sharon. Oh, Sharon. You know what's wrong with the dark night?
Leave her here.
You just are ready to the phone for nothing. They go say I keep person, I not go fast. But I go waste time. Boss, we know give me my girl, make her check it.
You said you are G-Man's wife, right?
Yeah.
G-Man and his brother, Eraser, they are evil. They are killing and extorting from business owners in their local area.
I thought my husband is an exporter and importer of goods.
Yes. However, they kill and extort from local businesses. And they killed my uncle because he stopped paying them.
Jesus Christ. I thought my husband is an exporter and importer of goods.
I still want you to know that your husband is cheating on you. Poison Ivy, one of the female gang members. For a long time ago, he married you as a cover-up for business because her late father has millions. He is very tricky and greedy. Precious, please, be my woman and leave Jenna. He plans to make Poison Ivy his second wife. Must act normal, please, as possible, in order to help me take them down. Please.
Okay?
There's no problem about that. It's a deal.
Thank you. Enjoy your drink, then we'll go, okay? Enjoy your drink.
Okay, boss.
A life insurance of $1 million. That if he dies, she takes over them all.
It's kind of, do you know what you just, do you know the kind of allegation you just said? My husband. Yeah, no. This is not true. It's not true.
Yes, it's true, my dear. But you cannot open up your mouth because they will kill us both. To come up with a plan to eliminate both more brothers.
I think you're right. Let's do it. I'm with you on this one. Guys!
Guys, we have to do something special for our husband.
No shaking.
We want to give them a special surprise.
For me?
Because you guys have worked so hard for us, so we need to appreciate you guys.
So guys, go and enjoy yourself for the next 2 days. Wait, I have something for you.
Hey, Baba.
You guys have worked so hard for our husbands and we really appreciate it. So go and enjoy yourself. But you know be firewood, I beg. But you know be firewood, not you can enjoy it.
This is what we are looking for.
However, Poison Ivy, stay back because you are the house protector.
No problem, Mama.
I want to give you privacy, but I will be standing guide. It's funny. It's funny.
What's wrong, bitch? You think I don't know that you've plotted with my husband to become his second wife?
I have been sleeping with my husband. You think you're smart, but tonight marks your end. You go and meet your creator.
Precious, stop all this talking. Let's do what we got to do. I'm innocent.
Hello? Where's Russia? Are you there? Are you around? Are you there? Please come, please come.
Jima! I think Undertaker is going too far. Eraser! Ha! The lion! If I get Undertaker and his cousin, I will kill them! I said I will kill them!
I've been in this game for so long. By tomorrow morning, I assure you, we will mobilize our guys to attack them.
I know what you can do. I believe you. I know what you can do. I know what you can do. I believe you. I believe you. I know what you can do. Who is there? Come inside.
You know, the federal government want to open more borders.
Hey!
Keeping our business.
Hey, that's my angel. Hey.
Good. Let's marry and have a dinner. Don't kill us. Don't kill us, please. Please, guys, don't kill us. Don't kill us, guys. Last prayer. Let's say your last prayer.
Don't kill us by killing my uncle. And you are planning to kill me and my cousin brother Go Crusher. You are mad. You don't know. You guys are not the real African black mob. I am the real African black mob.
Hands up there. Don't kill us. Don't kill us. Please, guys. Don't kill us. Forgive us.
Say your last
for
prayer.
all I have done to you guys. Please. Please.
You are mad.
Please. Please, guys.
Okay. Hold on, guys. Got a better idea what to do. Wait. You know what? Let us take them out fully. Let them know how the real mob gets down.
Please give us the pleasure to do this. Give us the pleasure, please.
Yes. This should be fun, ladies. Go ahead, take our guns and have fun.
Kids, and deal with them. I promise you.
Make sure we deal with them both.
Finish them all. Finish them. I said finish them. I said shoot these fucking guys. Shoot these fucking.
That's my girl. That's my girl, baby. Be this smart. Honey baby. Hey, honey baby, you saved my life. Ladies, you have played this so well. I can't believe this. You ladies are great actors. I thought they were going to kill us. I love you. That's my baby. I love you so much. Please give me the gun.
You love me so much, and you were planning to kill me. You even took out a life insurance worth millions of dollars, and you were fucking cheating on me.
Me? No.
You think I don't know that you've been cheating on me with poison ivy? What? You were planning to make her your second wife and just put me aside.
Oh my
You
God.
think I don't know? They call themselves African black mob. But we are the real African black mob.
Take it away from us. Take it. Please. I spare my life. Please. I beg. Precious.
We are smarter than everybody. Look at those two fools on the floor.